All right.
Yeah, there are no guarantees.
No guarantees at all. There are some good guesses, right?
Well, you know, history has a funny way of repeating itself sometimes, and whenever we've had historically these El Niños, the storm tracks will typically favor the southern states, i.e. Southern California, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, through the Gulf Coast. That's where you'll see the majority of these storm systems go. So if the storms track farther south, then that leaves us here in the northern part of the country
Dry.
in a little bit of a drier zone. But you know, things can fluctuate, things can change. I'm not predicting by any stretch of the imagination that we're going to be seeing a dry and a warm winter, but it looks like we have certainly been warmer than normal so far this fall season, my friends. You know that because temperature readings have already been pushing up into the 80s. We continue to see these warmer than normal conditions, and wouldn't you like to see some of that smoke finally starting to dissipate? I think it's actually going to happen courtesy of a storm that's on this way. So smoky skies, lots of sunshine again tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the last of the smoky, sunny, really warm days. Then as we get into Saturday and Sunday, that's when we begin to see the change. But look at that, 14 degrees above normal for this time of the year. As we've topped out at 80 degrees so far today, it may get a degree or two warmer than that by the end of the afternoon into the evening hours. The average high is supposed to be 66 and the record for the state is 87 degrees. Here's our satellite imagery, and you can see that there's a couple of features that have my attention. Number one is this very large storm that's spinning south of the Gulf of Alaska. That's going to be the driving influence in our weather. Number two is this little storm right over central California. But this is where the main core of the jet stream is. And once that jet stream starts to draw closer to the west coast, it's going to start tapping into that area of low pressure down to the south. And it's going to combine with this jet stream. It's going to combine with that storm coming in from the west. And the end result will be increasing clouds on Saturday, with a chance of some showers, especially late in the day. I'm thinking probably well after sunset Saturday night into early Sunday morning. And the mountains could see some showers as well. So I think it's going to be beneficial. I think this will be enough to help clear the air on Saturday and Sunday. Now, if only the firefighters could get a better handle on that Walker fire, because if we go back to high pressure and that fire's still burning, you know what's going to happen. So let's hope they get a good handle on this and that this storm benefits them. So here's the futurecast. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, lots of dry conditions. There's that moisture down to the south. Now watch as I advance this on Saturday. This is the key, and this is fascinating right here. Here's the computer model showing what happens on Saturday. Here comes that storm from off the coastline, and here comes that storm from the south, both of those combining somewhere over the state of Idaho and over the Great Basin to bring a chance of showers. 7-day forecast then for the Treasure Valley. 82 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow. Sunny skies, smoky conditions. Increasing clouds Saturday with a chance of showers late in the day in the Treasure Valley Saturday, and a few showers Sunday morning. Then I think we'll probably start to get some breaks in the clouds by Sunday afternoon. Next week, temperatures should be at least back to normal with highs in the mid to the upper 60s. The mountains will see beautiful sunshine as well tomorrow, with increasing clouds and a chance of showers later in the day Saturday. Scattered showers expected in the mountains on Sunday, and mostly cloudy skies on Monday. So it looks like it's starting to come together a little bit better, and that futurecast really shows the two systems coming together. It's pretty cool.
Let's just hope we get something here in the valley.
I really hope, yeah, that's exactly going to be. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and everything so far is looking good for us.
Very rare that you're going to see me want to see rain on a Saturday.
On a weekend, yeah.
Yeah. But this time there's an
It would be
exception.
late Saturday.
Okay.
I think the first part of the day will be okay.
Stick it in the day.
Okay.
Thanks, Roland.
You bet.